One of the things na oftenly overlooked ng mga tao is yung audio quality. You can have the best quality video, be it 4K or 8K pa, but if your audio is bad and hindi ko maintindihan kung anong pinagsasabi mo, it's equally useless. I'd rather have some subtitles na lang down there para maintindihan ko lang. Did you know that some of the viewers here sa YouTube, mas gusto nila napapakinggan nila na maayos ang pinagsasabi mo rather than visuals? Depende sa tao, no? 50-50 ako dyan. Ako both visual and sound set at the same time kasi I make sure that I watch the video and I listen to what they're saying. And probably that's the reason kung ba't ko binili to. This is the Maono wireless microphone na WM620 series. Habol ko dito is maliit siya. It is ultra small in size. Meron siyang dual silicone na microphone recording, dual microphone noise cancelling, and it supports 48 kHz or 16-bit. Ang layo na kaya ng support is 100 meters. Streaming pwede, Zoom meeting, Skype calling pwede siya. May 4-step din siya, the recording gain adjustment. Meron siyang dual monitoring interface and meron siyang audio signal indicator. And it comes in 6 different colors: black, white, purple, pink, blue, and dark blue. And binili ko is the purple color. So buksan natin. Maono. User guide. Ito yung kanyang device. May silica gel pa siya sa loob. Type-C charging cable. May dalawang magnet plate siya. Buksan natin. Maganda siya tingnan parang makeup kit lang. Slide to open. Ayan, kita mo yung ating kit. So what we have here is dalawang device. Pwede ka pang interview. And this one is Type-C. Pwede mo kabit sa iyong smartphone. Any smartphone pwede. Nandito ang kanyang 4 na gain. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Ang gain ng mic, no? And dito ang kanyang noise cancelling turn on and turn off. Ang kit ng kanyang microphone dito, which is not traditionally the same sa iba. It's circle in shape and looks cute. Andito ang kanyang microphone. Pwede ka rin magkabit ng wired mic dito. Mute switch. Ito yung kanyang gain. Andito ang kanyang noise cancelling button and power button. Meron siyang clip dito sa likod. Or pwede mo siyang kabitan ng magnet. Ganito. Ganito yung tsura niya. So there's 2 ways I can use this one. Either kabit ko lang dito sa aking collar using the clip, which sometimes hindi ganun kaganda tingnan. I prefer using ito magnet base. Nakakabit ko lang siya dito. Yan. So ganito na siyang button ko, which looks kinda good. Tara, test na natin sa aking bagong Xiaomi na Redmi 13.
Guys, right now, nagbablog tayo using the Redmi 13. And this is a very basic na entry-level smartphone from Xiaomi. And of course, gamit natin is the Maono na WM620 series na microphone. So, this is a very sleek, very small na microphone which I think any content creator can use. And sabi na dito sa spec sheet, meron siyang noise cancelling, meron din siyang pang streaming, and pwede mo rin siya i-monitor while you're talking. Pakita ko sa inyo. Actually, gamit ko siya right now, no? Normally, mga case ng mga microphone is a little bit big. Pero dito, very small, very compact. Ganon kaliit lang, no? Parang makeup kit lang siya. And binili ko purple para in case I wear mga dark shirt like this one, kita mo may microphone pa rin. Hindi pitch black, halos wala ka makita. Para medyo may iba lang konti. And yung isa, the other one, nakakabit sa aking Redmi 13 right now, ginagamit ko for vlogging, yung kanyang receiver, which is a Type-C one. So, ang kanyang clamshell case is looking like this. Pag tinara mo, charging port is here. And dito sa likod, either you go for itong clip or meron siyang magnet base na sinama nila sa loob ito. Magnet ng button. Which is, I think, very helpful, very useful. I mas feel ko kasi yung nakamagnet siya compared sa nakaklip dito sa aking collar, which medyo mas nilang ganun kaganda tingnan, no? Just personal preferences. So dito, pwede mo ikabit yung lavalier mic kung gusto mong may wired pa rin papunta sa'yo. Then ito, pwede mo itago sa likod. And meron sa mga buttons dito. This is the mute button. This is the gain button. On the other side, nandiyan ang kanyang power button. And of course, nandiyan ang kanyang noise cancelling button. Sa ilalim, Type-C siya, so you can plug in your Type-C na headset para pwede mo monitor while you're talking. So right now, we're talking with the noise cancelling on. Off natin. This is the sound pag naka-off naman ng noise cancelling. Can you tell the difference? So guys, if you're out there content creating and you want a really nice, decent mic na hindi ganun kamahal, check the link on the description box below para sa Maono WM620 series. And remember guys, ang dami ng color na pwede pagpilian. Nagkataon na purple lang pinili natin. See you in my next vlog.
So guys, nakita nyo na yung performance nito. I believe na maganda ang kanya noise cancelling. And it was able to record me for halos 3 hours non-stop na recording. Tinry ko to sa labas daw on one of my videos out there. And actually, nakalimutan ko yung turn off. Pag actually mo kailangan i-turn off, kailangan mo lang ikabit sa inyo charging case just to be able to charge it properly. And one best thing din dito, nakalimutan ko sabihin sa inyo, is that meron siyang audio jack dito which you can listen to what you're saying or pwede i-monitor ng iyong cameraman. Goods, di ba? Parang siya high-end. So if you're a startup na content creator or a veteran content creator or just simply want to have fun talking to your friends and maganda kayong noise cancelling, try one of these. Maono WM620. If you want to know kung saan pwede mabili ito, I'll be posting the Shopee and Lazada link down on the description box below. If you like this video, don't forget to share it to your friends. Sub to this channel, it's definitely awesome. I'll see you in the next one.
And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.